Three men shot, one fatally in St. James. Two men charged over Cherry Tree Lane massacre remanded. No clues yet as search continues for missing 4-year-old boy. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. The St. James Police have launched an investigation into a gun attack on Tuesday, which left one man dead and two others injured in flankers. Dead is 20-year-old laborer Jason Lawrence, otherwise called Dirty, of West Side in Flankers. It is reported that about 8:20 a.m., Lawrence and two other men were in a section of Church Hill in the community when, upon reaching the vicinity of a community center, they were shot by unknown assailants. They were assisted to the Cornwall Regional Hospital, where Lawrence was pronounced dead, while the other two men were admitted. No motive has been established for the attack. The two men charged for the recent massacre in Cherry Lane, Clarendon, which left 8 persons dead, were today remanded when they made their first appearance in the Gun Court Division of Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court. Duchesne Smalling, 28, otherwise called the Snowman, of North Street in Maypen, and Lyndon White, 32, otherwise called Barnes, of Havana's Heights, are each charged with 8 counts of murder, 8 counts of shooting with intent, 8 counts of wounding with the use of a firearm, possession of prohibited weapon, and unauthorized possession of ammunition. The primary caregiver of missing 4-year-old boy, Shaquille Patterson, says search parties have still not gathered any clues that could lead them to locating the child who disappeared on Sunday. The infant from Barham District in Westmoreland went missing from the neighboring community of Friendship, where his family was at a grave digging at the family plot. Patterson's primary caregiver is his grandaunt, Tricia Thomas, who has been caring for him since he was 2 weeks old.